Hello guys, today we prepare a yummy cake with chocolate, rosemary and figs. The name is Plum Cake, Chocolate, Figs plus Rosemary. So we need this ingredient, 8 figs, 2 branches of rosemary and 40 grams of cacao powder, but also we need the other ingredients. 200 ml of milk, 50 grams of butter, 3 eggs, 200 grams of flour, 40 grams of cocoa powder, 50 grams of baking yeast, and 180 grams of sugar plus a pinch of salt. For this recipe we want to thank LUCAKE, because this recipe is not mine, but I copy from this guy that is very good in making cake. You can see his profile Instagram and the website. You will find the links down in the comments of this video. But now let's prepare the cake. So now we put in 100 ml of milk, 2 branches of rosemary with the butter, and we put on the fire. When the butter melts, so the milk is hot, we can say, we off the fire and we leave them. In this way the rosemary will deliver the flour inside the milk. And after we go ahead with the other ingredient, but I'll show you later. Off the fire, now we can whisk our eggs with the sugar until they become fluffy. And after we add the 100 ml of milk with the other 100 ml of milk with the rosemary and the butter. In this way the temperature will be perfect and we can add and we can mix with the eggs. After we will add the dry ingredient, the flour, the cocoa powder and the baking yeast. Peel the figs. We take a baking pot, we oil the pot with the butter, and after we put half of the dough, the figs, the remaining part of the dough, and we complete with the figs. Now we can put our cake in the oven, preheated at 180 Celsius degree, and we will cook for 35-40 minutes. After 42 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, our cake is ready. Now we should wait that the temperature drop off so that the cake become cold, and after we can taste it. See you later for the tasting. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. Plus, you can check the profile of Luca. You can find the account down in the comments. Bye bye!